and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to switch accounts on iPhone without logging out. So switching accounts on TikTok is really simple. All you have to do is you guys need to have multiple accounts where you post. Maybe some is spam, maybe some are your personal account, maybe some where you post relatable stuffs. And to switch accounts in your profile, you will have to click on the button right over here under the profile icon, and here you'll see the list of your accounts. From here you can choose whichever account you want to switch to, and then just click on it and you'll be in that account. This is how you guys can switch accounts. There is a next step where you can go to settings and privacy, scroll down and then click on switch account. This is the lengthier version, but for the shortcut just click over here right under your username and your list of accounts will pop up. Then switch your account. Subscribe for more TikTok fixes and tutorials.